You need a baby car seat that combines maximum safety, comfort, and practicality. And today, I'm going to show you the top 3 of the best baby car seat 360 degrees. These innovative car seats stand out because they not only provide the essential protection your child needs on the road, but also feature a 360-degree rotation system that makes it so much easier to install your baby or toddler without straining your back. Whether you're looking for advanced safety technology, premium comfort for long journeys, or an easy-to-use design that grows with your child, this selection has been tested and chosen to help parents travel with peace of mind. Let's dive into the ranking and discover which models truly deserve a place in the top 3. In the third, I tested the Evenflo 360-degree baby car seat, and the first thing that impressed me was how effortless it is to use on a daily basis. The one-hand 360-degree rotation is a real game changer because it eliminates the constant bending and stretching that usually comes with getting a child in and out of a car seat. It genuinely felt like a backsaver, and I immediately understood why many parents recommend this feature. The installation was also very straightforward, thanks to the one-time latch system, which clips securely and doesn't require constant adjustments. Once in place, the seat rotates smoothly without ever feeling unstable. I also appreciated its compact footprint of only 17 inches wide, which leaves valuable space in the back seat, perfect for families with more than one child or smaller cars. During my test, I liked how it adapts as the child grows, offering a rear-facing mode from 4 to 40 pounds and a forward-facing mode from 30 to 40 pounds, making it versatile and avoiding the need for multiple seats too early. In terms of safety, Evenflo has done a good job. The seat meets or exceeds federal crash test standards, has been rollover tested, and even temperature tested, which gave me confidence in its reliability. That said, there are a few drawbacks worth noting. While the compact size is great for space, it does mean the seat can feel a bit snug for larger toddlers, limiting its usability in the long term. The materials, while comfortable, don't feel as premium or plush as some higher-end competitors, and the forward-facing weight limit of 40 pounds is lower than some other 360-degree car seats on the market, which might require switching to a bigger seat sooner than expected. Overall, after thoroughly testing it, I can say the Evenflo 360-degree car seat is a fantastic option for parents who want convenience, safety, and practicality all in one. It's not perfect for every situation, especially if you want a seat that will last well into the toddler years. But for everyday ease of use and peace of mind, it's one of the most practical choices I've handled. Secondly, I had the chance to test the Graco EasyTurn 362-in-1 convertible car seat, and right from the start, the 360-degree rotation stood out as a real advantage. Being able to rotate the seat with just one hand from rear-facing to forward-facing made putting my child in and out much less of a struggle. And I appreciated the clear click sound that reassures you the seat is locked securely. It supports rear-facing for children from 4 to 40 pounds and forward-facing up to 65 pounds, so it covers several stages of growth. The slim design also saves space in the back seat, which is helpful when you need room for passengers or multiple car seats. What impressed me most was the SnugLock technology. Installation was quick and straightforward, taking less than a minute once I got the hang of it, and the push-button in-right latch, with its audible click, really added confidence in the safety of the fit. The Protect Plus engineering also gave me peace of mind, knowing it was rigorously tested for crash protection, and the steel-reinforced frame means it's built for long-term durability, up to 10 years of use. The adjustable headrest with 10 positions and no rethread harness system made it easy to adapt as my child grew, and I really liked how plush and comfortable the padding felt, keeping my little one secure and cozy even on longer rides. However, the drawbacks became clear too. The seat is on the heavier side, which makes moving it between cars inconvenient, and although the rotation mechanism is smooth, In smaller vehicles, it can feel a bit cramped when turning the seat fully. It's also priced higher than many competitors, which could be a limitation for some parents. Despite these drawbacks, I found the Graco EasyTurn 360 to be a reliable, safe, and very user-friendly car seat. Its combination of comfort, safety features, and the game-changing rotation function make it an excellent investment if you're looking for long-term convenience and peace of mind. And to finish, first of all, I tested the Safety First Turn and Go Rotating 360 ST car seat, and I must say, it is one of the most versatile and complete car seats I've had in hand, offering a full 360-degree swivel rotation thanks to its safety swivel technology that makes buckling and unbuckling a baby incredibly convenient, saving both time and back strain. Its SecureTech indicators are a great innovation because they immediately let you know if the vehicle belt has the right tension, adding peace of mind during installation. The design complies with all federal safety standards, and being NHTSA certified, it reassures me that my child is protected in every scenario. The biggest strength of this model is its adaptability. With just one-time base installation, it covers all 3 stages from rear-facing for infants, 5 to 40 pounds, forward-facing for toddlers, 22 to 65 pounds, and booster mode for kids up to 100 pounds, making it a long-term investment that can follow your child's growth for nearly a decade. However, in my testing, I noticed that while the fit is secure, it can feel a little snug for bigger toddlers, and adjusting it in smaller cars may require patience due to its bulk. Another drawback is the price, as some may find it expensive, especially considering that cheaper models exist, though they don't always provide the same level of security or longevity. In conclusion, the Safety First Turn & Go 360 ST car seat impressed me with its safety, comfort, and long-term usability. And while it may be a bit tight in smaller vehicles and on the pricey side, it is absolutely worth it for parents who want a reliable, all-in-one solution that ensures both peace of mind and practicality over the years. To conclude this top of the best baby car seats 360 degrees, after testing each of these models myself, I can say they all bring real comfort and safety when traveling with little ones. But each has its strengths and weaknesses depending on your priorities. Whether you are looking for simplicity of use, long-term adaptability, maximum safety features, or comfort for both child and parent, one of these seats will meet your expectations. The key is to choose the one that best suits your car, your lifestyle, and your budget. Because investing in a quality rotating car seat is first and foremost about ensuring your child's well-being and your peace of mind on every journey. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.